Here is how to convert and download YouTube videos to MP3. So first open the YouTube app. Now choose the video you want to download. Now click these three dots at the top right corner. Click share. Click copy link. Now head over to your browser, your Safari browser or your Chrome browser, and now search for y2mate.is. And once you search for it, it will bring you over to this website. Now you paste in your YouTube link that you just copied earlier, and then it's gonna start to move. Now wait till it shows you your download. Now scroll down, click on audio. This is if you want to convert it to MP3, or you want to watch it as audio and convert it to your video and download it to your phone gallery. But for this tutorial, we're downloading it to MP3, so click audio. Now you want to download it at the highest quality, so click convert. Now click download. Go back because this website carries a lot of ads, but you can do with it. Now click details, you can see it's downloaded. Click open, and our video and our music is already downloaded. So that's it. Please subscribe if this helped you. Thanks for watching.